Hey friends, welcome back. Can you believe the new year is right around the corner? If you've been feeling stuck or overwhelmed in your art journey, or maybe you just want to challenge yourself to grow this year, you're not alone. Today I'm going to share a simple step-by-step plan to help you make 2025 your best artistic year ever. This isn't about perfection or pressure. It's about joy, progress, and creating art you're proud of. So grab a notebook or just listen along and let's set up your year for watercolor success. Before we jump into what's ahead, take a moment to look back. What worked for you in 2024? What didn't? And most importantly, what brought you joy? This is one of my favorite paintings from 2024, and this one too. These paintings brought me joy because they were paintings I did during the week of Thanksgiving, just for myself. There was no pressure to perform. I was able to spend as much time as I wanted outside and just painting a place that I love. So that's something that brought me joy this year. Another great way to reflect on the year is to take out a sketchbook or a journal and jot this down. Ask yourself, what did I learn this year? What challenges did I face? And where do I want to improve? Reflecting is powerful because it shows us how far we've come and where we want to go. Now, let's dream a little. What are your goals for the next year? Maybe you want to master a new technique, paint every single day, or finally share your art with the world. Take a moment to just write down your goals. Here's the key. Make your goals specific, manageable, and exciting. Instead of saying, I just want to paint more, try, I'll paint 3 times a week for 20 minutes. Small steps lead to big growth. Write your goals down where you'll see them. This will keep you inspired as the months go by. The secret to consistent growth? A routine that works for you. Find a time when you feel most creative. Maybe it's mornings, evenings, or weekends. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a huge difference over time. Create a cozy space that makes you want to paint, that makes you want to keep coming back to it. Lay out your brushes, pick a palette that you're excited to use, and just show up for yourself. Now, if one of your goals this year is to take your watercolor skills to the next level, I have something special just for you. My online school, Watercolor Mastery, is designed to guide you step by step through techniques and projects that will help you grow with confidence, no matter where you are on your art journey. And if staying consistent is where you struggle, I've got you covered. Inside the membership, you'll find our daily challenges, totally doable 20 to 30-minute tutorials that cover a huge range of subjects. We release brand new daily challenges every single weekday all year long, so you'll never run out of ideas or inspiration. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, Watercolor Mastery is here to inspire, guide, and encourage you every step of the way. Head over to watercolormastery.com to check it out. I'd absolutely love to see you there. This year, give yourself permission to play. Watercolor shines when you let it do its thing, let go of control, and just experiment. Some of my absolute favorite painting sessions have simply involved relinquishing control, using bigger brushes, and just trying something new. I find that over time, my confidence grows the more I play. Try new tools, techniques, or even color palettes. Paint without a plan and see where it takes you. Normally I say plan your paintings, but sometimes painting without a plan and seeing what happens will yield some amazing results that you can use in future paintings. Remember, every painting teaches you something, even the messy ones. Inspiration is everywhere. You just have to look for it. Go outside, take photos, flip through art books, or visit a gallery. And surround yourself with people who inspire you. Find a community, share your work, and encourage others. It's amazing how much we can grow when we create together. So there you have it, 5 steps to make 2025 the best artistic year ever. Reflect, set goals, build a routine, experiment, and connect with others. If this inspired you, let me know one goal you're excited to work on in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more watercolor tips and tutorials. Thanks so much for joining me today, friends. Here's to a beautiful, creative 2025. Happy painting!